Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping in today. I got this EsiCam or EsiCam.net, what the address is, but they've sent me several cameras and I've had good luck out of their cameras actually. So they sent me this one to review too. I'm not making anything off of it. They just sent it to me to make a review on it and see if I liked it. And it's kind of a strange camera. Maybe pretty cool, pretty handy for something. It does have quite a few different features. This is like a band that it goes in. And of course, here's the camera. Take it out here. I've messed with it a little bit. Haven't took the film off yet. This is a wireless charging. You plug in your USB charger into here, and then when you do, you can just set the camera on there and charge it. Or you can just plug your camera in right here and charge it if you don't want to use the wireless part. On-off button, mode button, and a place for a micro SD card. This thing does record 1080p or 720p, so that's pretty cool. Ought to be fairly decent video. And it can be snapped into this wristband. Which way is up, I don't know, because I have not really fooled with it. Guess we'll have to figure that out. I'll peel off the little stickers off the window, off the lens. You see the contacts on the back where that wireless charger makes contact. Now this thing will also work as like a spy camera, security camera, because you can connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then with the app that you download from the App Store, you can see this camera anywhere, wherever you're at. Have this camera set at your house somewhere, at your workplace, and you can see it on your phone wherever you're at. So that's actually a pretty cool feature. And it also will work like a dash cam. It does loop recording, and you could use it even for a dash cam in your car. So I'm assuming this snaps into this rubber. Maybe you put this in here. Okay, that's what it looks like. You probably put that in there, then you clip it onto your wrist like that. Okay, see, I told you I didn't actually know what I was doing, but that'll work. You can magnetically stick it to it, and still charge it there. You can take this out and use that as a wireless dock to plug it onto to charge. And then what do we got in this other box here? Okay, I figured we'd have a USB charging cable. And then we have this magnetic mount. Let's see how this does. Oh, okay. So that there you can actually stick on somewhere, like on your dash or somewhere in your house or whatever. And then you can magnetically stick it right to it. So pretty cool. What do we got here? It's another way to charge it, or it can be used as a, because it's got this stiff. Okay, or you can take and plug this into your USB and it'll hold it up like that, turn it around wherever you want, bend it in different directions. So that's pretty cool too. And then what do we got? Okay, we got a couple 3M adhesives, probably to replace the ones on here. If you use this and want to put it in a different spot, then you could use those. So got a user manual. One cool thing is too, this is metal right here, steel. So you can take this thing and stick it on something metal. It don't even have to be the little base to stick it to. You can stick it to something metal, put it wherever you want, like on your refrigerator or something. Got a owner's manual and the setup. Tells you which app to download. Tells you all about it here. Okay, so I have actually downloaded the camera, and it's this HID cam. See where I last tried it out there, but I need to actually turn it on for it to work. Turn it on. See that blue and green light comes on, we're on. To be ready to go. Okay, now it looks like we're connected here online. There we go. And it looks like, okay, push the play button. We'll see. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, I can see myself. That means that the wide part here is going to be the bottom of the camera, so we know how to set it. We set it somewhere. So let's try this out. Look around with it. I will switch this over to the video that comes off of this. Look here, we can take this too, set this on, oops, set this on 1080p. Oh yeah, it's actually pretty darn clear out there. We'll get it up right here. Okay. Well, I don't know why somebody would want to wear one on your wrist, but there may be a reason you can wear the thing on your wrist and record. Let's try putting this band on, see how this works. Stick it to my wrist like that. Okay, I need to turn this where these contacts are up. That will make it oriented right on my wrist. Okay, like that. Now let's set it on here, like so. And I guess you could record yourself. Okay, have my TIFF card or SD card, whatever you want to call it. I'll put it in here. One thing I don't like is, why in the world don't people put a way showing which way it goes in? So I either go this way or this way. Which way does it go? You know, put something on there to indicate the direction it goes in. Hopefully I get lucky the first time. And I'm sure that's the way it goes, the way it feels, but it's so far, it's got to go so far down in there, I can't actually push it, so I guess I'll take my knife and push it in there a little bit. Okay, there it clicked in, so that was the right direction, but man, so you want it with the writing on your card down, the black side up, contacts up, to get it to go in right. Now we'll turn it back on. Right here it's on 720, we can add 1080. 4-camera view if you happen to have 4 cameras, we don't. Shot, so that takes a picture. Activity zones, we can set the zones where we want it to record and where we don't. Go back. Rotate, indicator, alarm. Turn on alarm, sound alarm. Turn off, we don't want to worry about that right now. We just want to see if this thing records. Record with a little bit, see what it looks like. This is outside, of course. Over here, we're going to be in the sun, so that will probably mess it up pretty good. We're over here by the little Ranger. I mean, on the phone, the video looks pretty good, but I'll take this video off the SD card and post it on here. We'll see what it looks like. We will record this van going by. See what it looks like. That's on 720p. Okay, now we're recording on 1080p. See what that looks like. Let me level the camera here. Might be a little more laggy, I don't know. Depends on the speed of the processor in this camera. But we'll go around here. Back to the truck. Let's see how this stuff looks on this camera. And we'll go inside the shop here where it's a little darker. See what it looks like in lower light. Okay, there we go. I mean, that's the video of it. It's a pretty neat idea. It's a little sketchy on some of the settings. And I don't like the way you have to put the SD card in there, but I will post a link below to the description. I'm going to use this thing anyway and try it out on a few things and see how it works. And try it when I'm gone somewhere and have it sitting here with it plugged into the USB and see how it works for like a security camera. So I'll let you know maybe in a later video how that works out. But it's just another thing from EsiCam that they sent me. I forgot to mention this little snap on the bottom piece right here. Don't know what it's for. It does have a little snap on bottom right here. Guess if you don't want the magnetic part of it, you put that on right there. Covers the contacts and covers the magnetic part. So anyway, guys, click the thumbs up on the video, subscribe, catch you in the next one. Check the link below to this camera. Right on.